It's 38 out here, but since I'm still pretty hot with having a fever, it feels kind of refreshing actually. Thank goodness I'm not feeling dizzy though. Not too much anyway. I don't see Morris, but everybody else is here this morning. Morris is here now. Water bowls are refreshed. Everyone's eating. I've done the necessities. I'll come out and sit with them a little later. Leaves, leaves, and more leaves. Gray was so ready for breakfast, she heard me call Morris and she came flying around to the backyard. And you know, she just doesn't do Stripe and Morris. There's just no way. She saw them and then she raced into the garage, but she's got her food now. She's happy. Well, Ruby popped up the door screen, but now she won't let me enter my PIN. It just doesn't do anything. Well, rebooting the car, then the PIN worked just fine. So, I don't know. There might be something going on with that dash cam, USB, thumb drive. Who knows? Yeah, I just had a short errand to run, one that I really couldn't postpone. So, I'm out getting that done, and then I think I'm going to be back home on the couch. I really wanted to go for a short, easy walk today, but right this minute, if you asked me if that was going to happen, I'd have to say no. I feel so low energy. The Excedrin really helped with the discomfort, but it didn't help with the energy burst that I feel like I need right now. So, yeah. Well, here's a Taycan Fuquay. Been seeing a Tesla parked up in there sometimes too, but not today. I don't feel good enough to go for a walk today at all. Even walking from here to the mailbox feels like it would be too much right now. Fever's at 100. It was 100.8 this morning, but maybe it's coming back a little bit because Dawn says it's been 6 to 8 hours, something like that, since I had
Tylenol's wearing off. Yeah.
Yeah, but I'm nauseous and I got chills again and I have no energy and my headache's starting to come back and I want ice cream. So I'm going to make ice cream. I'm not going to go to Starbucks. I'm not going to go Dairy Queen, but I'm going to make some homemade ice cream.
She wants ice cream, so we're going to have ice cream.
I can control the amount of sweet so that it's not a super high carb spike. Right. And, but I need some comfort food.
Oh, I love you. She's going to get to feeling better.
Yeah, Dawn's temperature's back to normal. He never even took anything. It's not fair.
I'm sorry.
We had our ice cream and I've just been asleep. I just don't feel up to doing hardly anything. Took 2 more Excedrin. Oh, I see Morris on the chair back there. And here's Marty. I was coming over to see Marty. Come here, buddy. Hi. Hello. There's my Tux. Yeah, I woke up from this recent nap and I'm pretty warm, hot. Yeah. Tuck saw me petting on Marty, and then Stripe came out, and then Morris came out, and then he came out, and it's like, Mom, King Tux needs the Tux treatment. I'm sure Johnny will have you inside in a bit, buddy. And about all I'm feeling up to doing is sitting out here with you for a few minutes. And actually, the cool temp, I can't feel it. I'm so superheated right now. Hi, bud. Hi. 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 Hello. Hi. Hello. Good boy. Well, I'm far from feeling energetic and normal, but I do feel like I can keep my head up long enough to do the roof on both sides and maybe start on the chimney. I've got ribs in the oven for dinner, and they'll be ready in about 90 minutes. So I'd like to piddle with this for a little bit. All right, I finished up the chimney and I got the 2 roof end pieces, and the house is done. This down here is a waffle maker, and you can move the little knob and he drops the waffle into the pan, and then you can tip it forward and get the waffle out, and then you can load it back up for next time. It's pretty cool. I demoed it for Dawn. It worked better for you guys. And again, the little light thing. And the only substitution I had to make that I'm not happy with is I didn't have this in white. Those pieces are robot parts or Technique bricks, and they come in red and grays, and they didn't come in white. I do have it in red, so I was contemplating switching it back. And the chimney does swing a little bit, although I'm not sure totally the value add in that, except for that's how it attaches to the house. So I had a couple parts come, and I do have what I need to build, should have what I need to build the tree now. So I probably will do that. But it's finished, it's done, it's completo. And the part, I fixed the part here. That was the wrong color also. I think these came. Let me go look, because I think that came and I can fix that too. Okay, no. The 2 brown macaronis aren't here yet.